I don't even care for this one. I really don't. I'm a little more excited for the simple fact that I got curtains. So ain't no more comments talk about something. Your blonde's a little messed up. Blonde's this, blonde's that. What blondes? Where? We cover it up. You can't even see it no more. I'm official. The setup just increased by like 1,000%. That's all I can say. What's on YouTube? Like another video. If your day's not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. And subscribe to the subscribe button and notification bell, or subscribe. Thank you for your loyalty. So if you are in tune with the Instagram, y'all have seen I've been going a little crazy with the basketball stuff. Honestly, bro, I'm not really a huge fan of the basketball culture in New Jersey. So I don't really post that much during basketball season. I don't participate in it that much at all. The high school I graduated from, they are in playoffs again. So I just was, popping out, doing some pictures. So we got a POV video for that for this game. This current day I just posted, they just won semifinals, and posted a quick little video. I don't really do montage, especially basketball edits and stuff like that, but it was just a little quick thing to throw up. If you have been tuning in with the Instagram as well, you also seen the post where I experimented a little bit with an editing effect. No, this was not done in Lightroom, it was done in Photoshop. If y'all like me to do a video on that, I probably will anyway. Other than that, that's pretty much all. Thank you guys for all the support. We're at 4.2K. I don't even know how we're growing so much. The rating videos are doing great. Everything's just going well, and I appreciate y'all so much. The numbers are looking good. Let's jump right into it. Come on. Sitting here yapping. Oh my God. Hey, that was decent as hell.
Today's game is being conducted according.
Please remove your caps for the singing of the Black National Anthem in honor of Black History Month.
didn't even do that yet. I forgot. Yo, 24 booty, yo.
24 booty, but he can't shoot.
That's 40.
Okay, we back. Let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all already know the drill. Let me know what y'all favorite photo was. Timestamp it down in the comment section below. And y'all already know I gotta give y'all my favorites. My favorite from the editing effect will have to be these two, right? And then my favorite, I'll put three. My favorite three from the regular pictures will definitely have to be these three. And like, I don't know, that like the wider, lower angle with the really, like, it just gives NBA, like, it just, the high school, like the gym looks really nice, so it makes those photos look even like from that lower angle shooting up. I don't know, it just looks so nice, so evenly exposed, so I don't know, something about that. I just love it so much. Mind you, those pictures were taken on a 24-70, the G Master. It's not mine, it's my friend Marquise's. I don't have one yet. I am gonna get one because every time I shoot with that lens, it's just like, oh my God, it's beautiful. Damn, that's a good lens. I need it. But my pockets are telling me otherwise, so I gotta listen. I'm gonna be introducing a new series to this channel soon. I wanna let the rating series resonate a little bit. I'm gonna let y'all marinate with that first. Maybe like episode 3, 4, I'll introduce the other series. And I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these series where I'm interacting with y'all, interacting with the viewers, the subscribers, people in the broadcast channel, because I want y'all to get involved with these videos. And I feel like it helps me grow, it helps y'all grow, it helps y'all get exposure, it helps y'all get some advice, get y'all work critiqued. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like it's just helping everybody grow together. And I feel like there's no better way to do that. And I would love for y'all to be interactive. I don't want this community to be something like y'all are just watching me. I want y'all to be able to interact with me no matter how big I get in some regard. You know what I'm saying? So I'm starting that early because I'm not even like huge or anything like that, but we gonna start early. Other than that, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Check out the merch link in the description down below. Check out the preset link in the description down below. And don't forget to join the broadcast channel if you would like to submit anything for the rating. If you would like your videos or your pictures to be rated in the broadcast channel by everybody else in there. Whatever the case may be. Other than that, thank y'all so much for everything. I appreciate y'all very much. And yeah, see you next one. Peace. Stay creative. All right, I'm good. Yeah.